Many man wish death upon me.
Wait.
The Rasta boy they wish death upon me.
So the big thing, Rochester, girl is coming your way in the Michael Denton's Jamaican soap opera Crosses.
Wait, hold on, stop right there, so. Bing! All right. All right, done. I want to fight for. Me backside! Somebody link me, now me here now!
See Crosses on September 17 at the German House, 315 Gregory Street, Rochester, New York. Showtime, 6 p.m.
Girl and girl, your body high like Casa living.
I wish one of them.
Fight for less than that.
I wish one of them. I went in there.
Run!
Don't miss Crosses.